Good afternoon. Welcome to Sweet Treats Bakery. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to order a birthday cake for my little daughter.
That's wonderful! How old is she?
She'll be 6 tomorrow.
That's wonderful. Do you have a theme in mind?
Yes, she loves Barbie. I'd like a Barbie cake.
Great choice. What color would you like?
Pink, please. Pink is her favorite color.
Perfect. We can decorate it with pink flowers, hearts, stars, or butterflies. Which would you like?
She loves butterflies. Please add some pink butterflies and a few little stars.
Of course. Would you like sprinkles on the cake?
Yes, colorful sprinkles would be nice.
What flavor would you like? We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and red velvet.
Which flavor is the most popular with children?
Chocolate is our best seller, but many children also love strawberry.
Then I'll choose chocolate.
Great! What filling would you like? Chocolate cream, strawberry cream, or fresh fruit?
Strawberry cream, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like to add the number 6 on the cake?
Yes, please. And can you write Happy 6th Birthday, Lily?
Certainly. Would you like candles too?
Yes, one number 6 candle, please.
No problem. What size cake would you like?
A medium cake. We have about 12 guests.
That will be perfect for your party.
How much does it cost?
The total is $45, including the candle.
That's fine. When can I pick it up?
It will be ready tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Perfect. I'll come tomorrow evening to pick it up.
Thank you for your order. I'm sure your daughter will love the cake.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Good evening. I'm here to pick up my daughter's birthday cake.
Good evening. May I have your name, please?
My name is David.
Thank you. Let me check your order. I'm sorry, sir. The cake isn't quite ready yet.
What? You told me to come at 5 p.m.
I'm very sorry. We just need another 15 minutes to finish it.
But my guests will start arriving at 6:30 p.m. I still have to decorate the house and pick up balloons.
I understand. We sincerely apologize for the delay.
All right, I'll wait, but please make it as fast as possible.
Thank you for your patience. Mr. David, your cake is ready. Here it is.
Excuse me, this isn't my cake.
Really? Let me see.
I ordered a pink Barbie cake for my 6-year-old daughter. This is a blue football cake.
Oh no, you're right. We gave you the wrong cake. We're so sorry.
This is very disappointing. My daughter's birthday party is today.
We completely understand. Please give us a few minutes. We'll get your correct cake right away.
Please hurry. I don't have much time.
Of course, sir.
Mr. David, here is your Barbie cake with pink butterflies, colorful sprinkles, and the message, Happy 6th Birthday, Lily.
Yes, this is the right one.
We're very sorry for the delay and for giving you the wrong cake. Please accept our sincere apologies.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
As an apology, we'd like to give you a box of cupcakes at no extra charge.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
We hope your daughter has a wonderful birthday.
I'm sure she will. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. And once again, we're very sorry. Have a great evening.
Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.